Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Robinson here with a helper video for your math page 151. So go ahead and write your name at the top of the paper. Push pause and do that now. Are you back? Okay, today we're learning about how to compare groups of objects, okay? And we can do that by using subtracting. So let's look at this word problem here. It says, there are 4 bears. There are 3 foxes. How many more bears are there than foxes? We're comparing the number of bears to the number of foxes. If you look over here, you can see that the bear has 1, 2, 3, 4 counters beside it because there are 4 bears, and the fox has 3 because there were 3 foxes. The way that you can show that the bear has more, there's more bears, is that there is 1 extra here. And the person who did this problem crossed out the same number of counters for each animal and wrote the subtraction problem or number sentence this way: 4 take away 3 equals 1. So there's 1 more bear than foxes. Okay, so let's look at the way that these word problems look right here for you. Number 1, let's read the directions first. It says, write a subtraction number sentence. Write how many more or fewer. Okay, so we know that we're supposed to write some numbers in this number sentence here. And it's supposed to show how many more or fewer of one thing or another. Okay, let's look at the problem. It says there are 4 snakes. There are 2 chimps. How many fewer chimps are there than snakes? Well, let's start by drawing a little snake here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 snakes. And how could I draw a chimp? I'm just going to draw a little face with some monkey ears. And there are 2 chimps. Let's use a different color. 1, 2. Okay. The question is, how many fewer chimps are there than snakes? Well, we can find out and compare the 2 numbers by crossing out the same number. So we can cross out one of these and one of these. One of the snake and one of the chimp. So we can see that once we cross out the same number, there are no more chimp counters to cross out. So we can see that there are 2 more snakes, but that also means that there are none here, right? There's none here and none here. So that means there are fewer. Fewer means less. There's less chimps. How many chimps less are there? There's 2 less because there's none right here. And the way that we would write that subtraction sentence is like this: 4 minus 2, because there were 4 snakes and 2 chimps, leaves 2 fewer chimps. Okay? Don't worry if it seems kind of hard. We'll do some more. All right, let's look at the next one. It says, Stella ate 3 bananas. That's important information, so let's go ahead and circle or underline it. 3 bananas. This video is going to have a part 2. It's going to end in a minute, and there'll be another part for you to watch. Seth ate 2 bananas. Okay. How many fewer, so we're looking for fewer, how many fewer bananas did Seth eat than Stella? And when I come back in the second video, I will go ahead and